Okay, hi everybody, I did not upload a tech video last week, so I'm going to upload two tech related videos this week. Before we begin, if I tell you zsh, oh my zsh, zsh-config and git, if you know what it means and you use these tools, then you should stick to the video. If you have no fucking idea what I'm talking about, then you should probably leave the video. Take care, have a nice week. Okay, so it seems like you are staying on the video. So I'm going to show you today my zsh-config and my zsh theme. So to begin, my zsh, sorry about the dog barking. So this is my zsh-config. It's kind of simple. So I got the default my zsh folder and my custom zsh folder. I got the path to my SSH key. I got my prompt, and I also have my what the hell, Vim? Okay, fuck that shit. So I have Ruby right here because I use Jekyll for my blog, and Jekyll requires Ruby, so I need Ruby. So I have my man path for the man. Man is manual, by the way, if you don't know. For example, man, I don't know, CP, copy files and directories. I have Vim as my editor because Vim is the best editor. Fuck you, Emacs. Just kidding. Lang, I have English, US, UTF-8 as my main locale because I like to keep things simple. I also have the French and Russian locales, but I don't use them as my primary display locale thing. I have my email address because I need for my email client, which is Mud. So I need it for my email. Yeah, so I need this variable for my email client. I also have the disable update prompt set to true because I hate to have the would you like to upgrade my zsh prompt. I just want it to be upgraded all the time, so it's fine. Zsh theme, which is my personal theme, Xami. Plugins, I have the git plugin and the git ignore plugin, and that's it. This is the my zsh default thing. So now onto the theme. So it's going to be .myzsh themes and xami.zsh-theme. So you do need git for it to work, and my zsh obviously. So I have a cc variable, I guess, because I had to type reset color every time at the end of everything. So I just have a simple shorter one to save space and to make the code cleaner. So I have current dir for the current directory, which is right here. Then I have the red status, so I have it as green when the command has run successfully, no big deal, and also have it set to red when a command has failed. For example, hello, command not failed, so this is a failure, so it should prompt it as red. Full time, which is for the full time, I have the time set in cin, right here, no big deal as well. Then I have hostname as hostname, username as %n, so hostname and username. And I have the separation, which is just a semicolon put in cin, so that I can distinguish from both of them. Then I have the full name. I just use username, separation name, and then hostname to make things simpler. Then onto my git prompt prefix, I have put it in red, so that it's red for the branch. And then at the end, I just clear the color to make shit clean. Then I have dirty and the dirty and clean flags set to exclamation point and the star, so like this. And then I put everything into one line. So on the left prompt I have the folder and the $sign, and on the right I have the Git branch, the name, and the full time. And that's it. So I have a GitHub repo, github.com/xame/zsh-config if you want to check it out, fork it, hack it, and maybe submit a patch. And that's all I had to say. Have a nice week. See you next time.